Hello, to fix no eSIM problem on Xiaomi Poco X7, let me quickly show you. Let's go into the settings, and in the mobile networks, right here we have the eSIM, but in some cases you might not be able to see this option. It might be disabled or something. Basically, you will not see it. So to fix this problem, we have to go back and we have to find right here region. Go into region, and I recommend you to set region to Poland. I know that for sure this region does have eSIM. I don't know about the others, but basically let's set the region to Poland. And right now we have to restart our phone. We have to reboot it. Let's wait for the reboot to complete. And basically on all the sites that you might find information about eSIM, they will say that this phone doesn't have eSIM, but as you can see, it apparently does have eSIM, but you have to kind of do a trick to enable it. But alright, right now as we set up the Poland region, let's wait for the phone to boot up. Alright, the phone is all set up. Let's unlock it. And now as you go into the settings and go into mobile networks, we should have this option turn on eSIM available. And basically after that you can set up your region back to your regular region, and the eSIM should be still here. It will not disappear, and in case it does, it is recommended to just leave your region as Poland, or maybe for example you can try Germany or UK, something like this. But basically that's how to fix that problem. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.